Turn Assist 270i with pallet unload option for the automated loading and unloading of CNC lathes. Phonic robot with 35 kilogram payload. Okuma LU3000 EX. Raw parts are picked up from the stacker table. A double 3-point gripper can hold both raw and finished parts. Finished parts are taken out of the spindle. After which the spindle is cleaned with an air blow. The raw part is then positioned in the spindle. Finished parts are stacked on a standard wooden pallet. Ready for packing and shipping. This automation is perfect for small, medium, or larger batches, and various types of workpieces. The stacker table can be set up for different workpiece weights and sizes. It has a user-friendly interface with 3D visuals. The Turn Assist has numerous standard features, like clamping force control and different safety options. The Turn Assist, compact, flexible, easy to use.